All right, guys, we're going to get started here shortly. Next minute. Good luck to everyone. I want to appreciate the business everyone gave buying these breaks. Again, head over to our website, chatmaxcards.com. We've got lots of breaks on there. We have a couple. I got some MVP coming too this week. The Cup, Premier, everything. And also doing some soccer breaks. UEFA Champions League soccer break coming up. It's on eBay. And I also have some basketball as well on there. So we're going to start branching out, coming up with football, basketball, you name it. So it's 9 o'clock, and we're going to get started. So the first break is 16-17 Upper Deck Ultimate. It's the last half of the case we opened a few nights ago. So here it is, 4 boxes in here, and we're going to get to it here. Again, good luck, everyone. Hopefully, some big hits in here. Hey, Chase.
Yeah.
All right. All right. First card is Ultimate Introductions. Black Onyx. Sergachev, numbered 7 out of 25. Next, we just have the Ultimate Introductions base card. Next, we have Dylan Strome, Arizona, autographed, 167 out of 199. You have Keystone Fabrics, Sedin, Daniel. Numbered 49 out of 99. And finally, we have Ultimate Rookies Patch, Zach Werenski. Numbered 70 out of 99 for Columbus. All right. Pack 2. First card. Jakub Voracek. 24 out of 99. Next up, we have Ultimate Rookies signed card. Sonny Milano. 154 out of 299. Got a nice Keystone Fabrics, Tuukka Rask, 13 out of 49. And finally, we have Ultimate Rookies Patch, Lawson Krause, Arizona, 46 out of 249. Box 3. First up, Patrick Kane, 74 to 99. Trevor Carrick, Ultimate Rookies auto, 123 out of 299. Then we have Mikhail Sergachev, Ultimate Rookies patch auto, 32 out of 49. And finally, we have patch Tyler Mote, Mott 166 out of 249.
These are the Canucks.
Huh?
These are the Canucks.
Now it is. And it's 166 out of 249. There we go. And final box for 16-17 Ultimate. Like I said, I got some 17-18 Ultimate coming in. I have the 17-18 Premier. All right. Okay. It's got a base card here. Pavel Zacha. Another base. Matthew Benning. And then we have a Ultimate Rookies auto. Charlie Lindgren. 112 out of 299. We have Jake Muzzin. 39 out of 75 auto. Kings. And finally, we have Ultimate Rookies, Barzal patch for the Islanders. 191 out of 249. So there we go. That does it for